Hi everyone, and welcome to the video about Archean Chemical Industries Ltd, a leading specialty chemical manufacturer in India. Archean Chemicals boasts over a decade of experience extracting bromine, industrial salt, and potassium sulphate from seawater and catering to global industries. Their commitment to sustainability and innovation sets them apart, making them a responsible and future-oriented player in the market. In this video, we will take a closer look at Archean Chemical Industries' product segments, revenue segments, shareholding, management, cost structure, financials and management outlook for the future. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Archean Chemical Industries Ltd. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks, PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let us provide a brief introduction to Archean Chemical Industries. The company is India's largest exporter of bromine and industrial. It is the leading specialty marine chemical manufacturer in India and is focused on producing and exporting bromine, industrial salt, and sulphate of potash to industries such as pharmaceuticals, textiles and agriculture around the world. Let's take a look at the product segments of Archean Chemical Industries. Bromine. Archean is a leading exporter of bromine, with a significant portion going to China and the remaining sold within India. Industrial salt. Archean is India's largest exporter of industrial salt, holding a dominant position in this segment. Industrial salt serves as a key raw material for producing chlorine and caustic soda, essential for various industries. Sulphate of potash. Archean is the only manufacturer of soap from natural sea brine in India, positioning it uniquely in this high-end specialty fertilizer market. Now, let's discuss the revenue segments of the company. Industrial salt is the largest segment of Archean Chemicals' revenue, accounting for 65.7% of the company's total revenue. This is followed by bromine, which accounts for 29.3% of the total revenue, while sulphate of potash accounts for 5% of the total revenue. Now, geography-wise revenue. The chart shows that exports are the largest source of revenue for Archean Chemical, accounting for 72% of its total revenue. Domestic sales account for 28% of the total revenue. Now, let's take a look at the management of the company. Mr. P. Ranjit is the Managing Director of Archean Chemical Industries. He has over 22 years of experience in the chemical business and has been instrumental in the company's growth. He holds an MBA from the University of Chicago, Illinois. Let's take a look at the shareholding of Archean Chemical Industries. The promoters are the largest shareholders of Archean Chemical with a holding of 53.6%. Mutual funds are the second largest shareholder, with a holding of 13.6%. Foreign institutional investors hold 2.9% of the shares. The public holds 13% of the shares. Other institutions include a small number of other investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 16.9% of the shares. Let's take a look at the cost structure of Archean Chemical Industries. Selling and administration cost is the largest component of Archean Chemicals' cost structure, accounting for 35% of the total costs in the financial year 2023. Power and fuel costs account for 9% of the total costs. Other manufacturing expenses account for 6% of the total costs. Employee cost accounts for 5% of the total costs. Raw material expenses account for 3% of the total costs. Now, let's focus on the financials of the company. The table shows that the company's net sales have grown steadily over the past 6 years, from 439 crores in the financial year 2018 to 1441 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 26.84%. The company's profit after tax has also grown steadily, from negative 79 crores in the financial year 2018 to 384 crores in the financial year 2023. At last, the company's return on equity has decreased from 285.4% in the financial year 2018 to 26.8% in the financial year 2023. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. Bromine is present in inland seas and brine wells. Much of the bromine compounds which the company manufactures are in Israel, Jordan, the US and India. The company holds the leadership position in India's bromine merchant sales and is also its largest exporter in India. The company sells 100% of its industrial salt to overseas clients. It is the only company which makes potassium sulphate from natural sea brine, hence it is the lowest cost producer. The company expects margins to be between 37% to 42% going forward. The company currently has a bromine capacity of 42,000 metric ton per annum and 3 million metric ton per annum for industrial salt. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.